Right then, you little sods. So there's a gap where the blue bag was, a plastic bag and a little bit of what looks like foam. And we come round the corner to a scene of actual devastation. Hey? And what have you got to say for yourself? Hey, what have you got to say for yourself? Are you ashamed? Are you ashamed? Really? That doesn't look very shameful. That looks a bit more shameful. Hide behind your brother. Is it your fault, Skippy? Skippy, was this you? Look at all this. Hey? What's this? Chapstick. Have you got dry lips? Is this what's going on? Is this what's going on? Oh, look, there's chew toys in amongst all this, untouched. Untouched chew toys, and Daddy left you biscuits when he came home at lunchtime, didn't he? No sign of them now, is there? Well, I never. Who is it? Was it her? Did she start it? I don't know. I don't know. Oh well. Yeah, I'm sorry. You're not bothered at all, are you? At least Sheila has the good grace to look embarrassed. Whereas you, Skippy, you don't look embarrassed at all, do you? No, not at all. Oh, right, okay. Well, that's a little bit more embarrassed. Right. Okay, let's get this lot cleaned up.